Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Get ready for takeoff. Today we're going to the territory of Winter Wonderland again. This is the fourth video. So let's see what, we recently got 4 inches of snow here in the Ozarks. Let's take a look around. Oh, I'm going to show you some lighting. You know how they use filters? Let me show you this. I'm on a selfie stick and lighting is everything. When you're filming video, let me show you something. You won't believe this. Look, I'm gonna turn into Barack Obama. Look, oh my God, oh my God, oh no, I become Barack Obama. It's terrible. Lighting is everything. Now we look normal. See, bad Barack Obama. Look at that. Look what it's doing to my skin. It's all lights and shadows. When you look at this, I look great. It's all lights and shadows. So we're gonna turn this camera around. Let's see. We'll have to stop the video and restart it. It's all lights and shadows. It is. Okay, we're doing this on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and we're gonna find out just how good the microphone system is. So I am trying to hold it as close to me as possible so you can hear me. Look at, it's not as cold as it was yesterday. I did try to shovel all this out because took my dad's car yesterday, went into town to pick up my last paycheck. I'm hoping to get my job back. You can see I did some shoveling yesterday and I tried to clear as much of this out as I could. Whoops, didn't mean to do that there. Got to be careful. I think there's my car. It's now been thawed out. I started up yesterday. It works pretty good. You got to do that every once in a while. I got to burn trash. Can't use the fire pit. Well, I have to use the burner barrels. So let's take a walk and show you all this snow. Man, we got about 4 inches. So I wanted to talk to you today. Look. This is as far as I got shoveling all the snow. I shoveled the path from there, moving the camera too fast, to there, and should have put on my sunglasses. The sun's in my eyes. I have these floaters in my eyes, and the doctor gave me special sunglasses to help with that. Oops. Oops. It was, phone was moving around. Okay, let's take a look at the roads, see how good they are. Hold on. I don't look too bad in this shade of light. We're heading to the road to see how good it looks. And, let's see what I was gonna talk to you. Oh, seeing all this snow. Look at all that snow. Oh yeah. Should have wore some sunglasses. I didn't think about that. That's okay. Anyway, what's it? Oh, remember that episode of The Simpsons? Mr. Plow? Oh yeah. When you see all this snow, kind of reminds you of that episode of The Simpsons. I might watch that episode today, Mr. Plow, where Homer Simpson decided to take a side hustle, plowing snow. It's a cool side hustle, I guess. And so, yeah, that was a funny one. Then he got a competitor. Someone else decided to out-muscle him. And there was another movie called Snow Day. At first I thought it was in my imagination. I remember seeing a movie some years ago about these kids who got a day off because of the snow. And so the school got canceled. So they all went outside and played in the snow. They made a whole movie about this called Snow Day. It actually exists. That movie actually exists. Because I looked it up, and first I thought, I remember seeing a movie like that years ago. And I thought, did I just imagine seeing it, or is this a Mandela effect? No, it's a real movie. It was made some years ago, back in 2000. And kids went out and played in the snow. Kids today, they don't play in the snow. The roads are clear, as you can see. Hold on. These are the roads. They're pretty clear, as you can see. The roads are clear. All right. Now, we can begin the walk back. Ooh, doggy. But yeah, there was a movie about kids playing in the snow. There's a couple of villains, and they just had a blast. Kids today, they're indoors. They play video games. Now, there's a few kids that might go out and play in the snow, build snowmen. I remember me and my brother and sister and all the kids in the neighborhood building a giant snowman. And yeah, giant snowman. We just had a lot of fun back then. So this is my second attempt. This is done with the i15 Pro Max. And it gives me oh, someone did build a snowman. Oh, a snowman. So yes, someone did build a snowman. Look at that. Cool. Yeah, someone built a snowman. Ooh, doggy. If you look at the property, got vehicles over here, vehicles over there. There's the tractor. You can see it. Zoom in. There's the tractor. Yeah, I filmed a video yesterday using my Canon, but I must have had the settings wrong because I tried uploading it like 3 or 4 times. It wouldn't upload. Something went wrong with the processing. So I figured it got to be in the settings. So I bought the iPhone. And it gives me a good idea to test the microphones. I don't have lapels for the... I'm going to order some today. I had a set of microphones for the i15 Pro Max, but they didn't work. So I'm going to order another set. I wish there was an electronics store where I could just test it before you buy it. Yeah, look at all this snow. We had like 4 inches here in the Ozarks. So like, comment, subscribe, like, comment, share. Tell me about the weather in your area. How much snow did you get? I'm getting ready to make another video called God, Where Are You? Might make a lot of Christians mad. Don't intend to, but it's kind of how I feel. Because a lot of people lost their homes in the LA fires. A lot of people lost their homes in the hurricanes we had in South Carolina, North Carolina? One of them. During the... well, okay. It's me again. Whew. I gotta make sure the lighting is just right. Did you like that camera effect I did? Lights are everything. Lights and shadows make a difference, doesn't it? So I thought I'd show you around. Oops. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful how I'm filming this. I'm still not a pro at this yet. So, anyway, all you can see is the back of me now. We're heading back to our porch. And I was talking about Homer Simpson being Mr. Plow. Snow Days, the name of the film, with these kids who got a day off from school because they were snowed in. So yeah, back to creating that visual effect. Look, it's already happening, see? It's already happening. Look, it's starting to happen. Look, I'm transforming. It's all lights and shadows. It is. Now this, look, this don't look too bad, but it's all lights and shadows. I'm just showing you. Now, some people say, well, you use filters. No, I don't use filters. I'm an old-fashioned guy. It's all lights and shadows. Look at that. I'm turning into Barack Obama. Look at that. Oh, my God. But, yeah, it depends on angles and everything else. So when you're doing videography like this, there, right there, isn't bad. Gotta have a little bit of light. Ooh, I don't like that. So it all depends on lights and shadows. It really does. Now I'm just having fun. I'm just playing with y'all. But if you ever do make YouTube videos, like right here, looks great. I mean, look at that. Look at that. I love it. Not too bad. Not too bad. Now closer up. Not too bad. Not too bad. We're just having fun in this video now. I'm just funning with you. But if you're making YouTube videos, it makes a difference. It really does. So do I use filters? No. Lights and shadows. I got studio lights inside, and it's I'm moving the camera a little too much, but it's all lights and shadows. The camera's moving because my hand is shaking because of the weather. I don't mean to. See if I can keep it steady. That's how unprofessional I am. See, now we're just having fun. We're just having fun. Comment below. Like, comment, share, like, comment, subscribe. This is an i15 Pro Max, and I don't have lapels. I'm gonna order some today. Hopefully that they will work. They'll be compatible with my 15 Pro Max. And just so you get an idea, it's not as easy as you think to film and make video, because you want the lighting and everything to look at that. Look what's happening. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. I hate that. Ah, I look terrible. I'm terrible. We're getting ready to go inside. Oh, it's dark in here. Oh, now you can't see me at all. Turn on the light. Whew. Oh, look. Changed color again. Whew. Ooh, doggy. Oh, it's cold out there. See the difference? Now we're going inside. Not too bad. Not too bad. See the difference that lights and shadows make? So when you make video, that's what makes all the difference in the world. Lights and shadows. Panorama around. I've got other rooms. I'm gonna build a Star Trek room. I've got all the stuff. I just haven't hung all the action figures on the wall yet. And anyway, there's my plane. Made in Italy, by the way. And we're just reshooting a video that failed to upload, so maybe we made it better. There's my studio light. We're gonna turn on the studio light here. I'm gonna show you lights and shadows here. But yeah, my dad and I shot the video, and there's my kitty cat. You like my kitty cat? Ah, there he is. Say hello, Isis. That's his name. Named after the Egyptian goddess. Anyway, show notes. I was preparing for my top 10 Favorite YouTubers. Now this tablet here is out of date. It's 7 years old. It's got cracks in it. And getting ready to replace it here as soon as I start earning money again. I'm gonna save up money and get it replaced. But I got another iPad Pro. Got this 15 Pro Max. So you know, your tablets get old enough they stop supporting it. It doesn't do updates anymore. Now that plane is worth $1,500. That is unique. I thought that was a unique prop for my. So I had that when I was interviewing my dad. He's telling World War II stories. I just thought that was a cool prop. I don't know, but I gotta put that back in the main studio. Reshot a video this morning, and there's my studio light. Okay. So that's my studio light right there. And you can see we're just having fun. I'm just shooting the shit. And it's behind me now. Now it's in front of me. You could see the difference that lighting makes. It makes all the difference in the world when you're shooting video. It does. Lighting is everything. I'm learning that lesson. I kind of knew that for a while. So I try to adjust the lights just right too. So I know you can get filters. I don't do that. I use lights. And decor is important for my YouTube studio. So we're getting ready to do a video reaction. We're going to talk about that to this other guy. I'm getting ready to shoot 3 videos today. I shot one already this morning, already uploaded. Shooting this one, I'm gonna have 3 or 4 more because I'm unemployed, and I'm gonna try to go into town. I can go another 2 weeks without working, but I gotta find a job, or at least try to get my old job back, and that would complete the story arc that I created here on YouTube. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I'm gonna have to end this video because now we're up to probably 30 if I combine all these little video segments. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, share. You know the routine. Every YouTuber tells you to do this. And thank you for watching. I really gotta go. Bye-bye.